Hello everyone, welcome to a journey where we unveil the secrets to mastering sales negotiation skills, specially curated for beginners. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the art and science of negotiation, a skill that can turn the tables in business and in life. Did you know the word negotiate comes from the Latin negotium, which means not leisure? Indeed, negotiating is not leisure. It's a critical skill mastered by successful business personnel across the globe. Let's dive into the intriguing world of negotiation, where every conversation is an opportunity. In this dynamic business landscape, negotiation is more than just a skill. It's a weapon to forge successful partnerships and agreements. Understanding its importance can be your first step forward mastering the art of negotiation. The ability to negotiate effectively can lead to beneficial outcomes, fostering stronger relations and paving the way for future opportunities. Before venturing into a negotiation, it's pivotal to comprehend the various stages and elements that constitute a successful negotiation. It starts with meticulous preparation, where research and information gathering takes the front seat. Defining your objectives and strategies can be your compass, steering you in the right direction. At the core of negotiation lies effective communication. It's not only about voicing your thoughts, but also harnessing the power of active listening. A fun fact for you: studies show that people with high emotional intelligence tend to be better negotiators as they can read and interpret nonverbal cues effectively. Delving deeper, we find the significance of body language in negotiation. Did you know your posture can speak volumes before you even utter a word? Mastering the art of interpreting body language can indeed give you an upper hand. Let's delve into an interesting story about Steve Jobs, a master of communication and negotiation. In the early 2000s, when the music industry was besieged by piracy, Jobs negotiated with various music producers to create the iTunes Store, a platform that revolutionized music distribution. His knack for understanding the needs of the industry and presenting a mutually beneficial proposal turned a potential conflict into a lucrative partnership, showcasing negotiation skills par excellence. Entering the realm of negotiation strategies, we find a rich tapestry of techniques ranging from win-win negotiation to problem-solving negotiation. Each strategy, unique in its approach, can be a powerful tool when wielded with understanding and finesse. Understanding the nuances of these strategies can unlock doors to innovative solutions and foster relationships built on trust and mutual respect. Remember, the right strategy can turn even a potential lose-lose situation into a win-win outcome. Negotiation is not confined to boardrooms. You may find yourself negotiating in various situations, be it with a difficult person, a team, or even in a high-pressure situation. Knowing how to maneuver your negotiation strategies according to different situations can be your golden key to success. It's a dynamic process, adapting to the flux of the conversation and sometimes thinking on your feet to navigate complex scenarios successfully. As we come to the end of our insightful journey, it's time to embrace the final act of closing the deal with ethics and fairness at its core. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. The world of negotiation is ever evolving. It beckons you to be a lifelong learner, constantly adapting and enhancing your skills. It invites you to be a craftsman, continuously honing your art, ensuring that every deal closed is a testimony to skill, perseverance, and mutual respect. Thank you for embarking on this educational journey with us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more enriching content. Together, let's embrace the journey of becoming negotiation maestros.